Hi guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks, and today I've got something special for you. The new Motion 300 by Soundcore. I've been putting this speaker through its paces for a couple of weeks now, pushing it to its limits like I always do. And I have to say, I'm seriously impressed. This little beast packs a punch with 30 watts of RMS power, which is pretty impressive considering its size. It delivers some seriously impressive lows, thanks to the two radiators strategically placed at the front and back. But that's not all, and like other speakers in its size category, the Motion 300 gives you that sweet stereo sound with its dual 2-inch full range drivers. In my review, I'm also gonna put its LDAC wireless high-res capabilities to the test, to see if that superior quality is noticeable. And I will also run few other tests to prove you guys that this speaker deserves a spot with other top speakers, in the likes of JBL Flip 6, Bose Flex and Sonos Roam. So without any further ado, let's kick off this review with the unboxing. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. Let's start with the manual. And the USB-C cable. The speaker is nicely wrapped in a protective film. Wow, it does look premium. I like the metal front mesh cover. And let's have a look at the function buttons at the top. From left to right, we've got the power button. Got Bluetooth button, bass up, volume down, play and pause, and volume up. And at the back we can see that it's got a passive radiator. This is not the only one, there is also one at the front. And we can see we've got 4 rubber feet, so the speaker can sit at its back as well. And we've got a strap here that is detachable, so you can carry it with you anywhere you go. Alright, now let's have a look at some specs. So power, as we know, it's 30 watts, delivered through 2 drivers, each one produces 15 watts. The drivers size are 2-inch, they are full range. Frequency range is 65 Hz to 40 kHz. Bluetooth version is 5.3. Battery charge time is 5 hours. Max play time is 13 hours. IP rating is IPX7. The weight is 776 grams. And you can get the speaker in 3 different colors: black, blue and green. Now I'm going to switch LDAC mode on and I'm going to run a test to see if we can see or hear the difference. A bright screen means that you are listening to that codec.
3, 2, 1.
Now let me demo the bass up EQ mode. For the next test, I'll be measuring loudness and I'll be playing white noise. I'll reduce the volume so it doesn't disturb you. So now let's demonstrate and test the adaptive EQ. I've created 3 custom EQ settings, so depending on the position of the speaker, it will use that particular EQ setting. So there you have it guys, the Motion 300 from Soundcore is an absolute winner in my book. It's powerful, crystal clear, durable and packed with features. My next video will be a full teardown of the speaker, so please subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you're interested in picking one up, you'll find the links down in the description section below. And if you already own this speaker, please let us know in the comments what you love most about it. And if you're thinking about getting one and have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to respond to all your comments. That's a wrap for today's review of the Soundcore Motion 300. I wish you all a fantastic day and I hope to see you again in my next review. Adios!